Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is a Stitch Fix and I got this in the month of October, and this is the first time me unboxing this beauty. So this is like the clothing subscription. They do give us like clothing as well as some accessories, and there is a styling fee of $20 and you get to try it on, and then if you like it you can keep it and they're going to charge it later. And if you doesn't like, then you could return, because they would be sending the return label as well, so you could return all the items that you don't like. So that's like awesome. And then shopping at your own leisure and then trying it on, and if you doesn't like it you could give it away. So that's awesome. So that's the part that I really loved, so I just want to give it a shot. And also there is like the profile selection as well, so you would select like whatever items that you are like more interested, so you would fill out on your profile, and then your stylist would style the items and then send it based on your profile. And if you are interested on this eye look, stay tuned, it's coming up. So it will be like my next video or something like that, because I did film this look, so hopefully it's going to be good and we'll see like how that's going to be. But let's get to the unboxing. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're stopping by for the first time, please smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. Let's see what we got. The first one that I see here is, so this, oh okay, so this is the beauty. So this looks like a accessories. Oh wow. So this is the one that we got from, one is the, that sparkle, and this is in the color silver, and $48. So this is the one that we got. Well, I really love it. Okay, so here is the bag that we actually got. With that, the duster bag. So that is the one. Okay, let's see. The dress is, okay, right off the bat I see this one. This is calling my name. This one. So here is the one. So I'm going to try all of these. So here is the dress. It's more like blue kind of and florally kind of dress, and this is from the brand Love Appeal. So here is the one, and this is Tori knit maxi dress in navy and from Stitch Fix. So here it's like a good decent length. It's going to be like full length, and I also like filled in my profile that I'm a petite kind of height. I'm like 5 feet nothing. So this is the next beauty that we got. So is this a sweater? Wow, it's a navy kind of sweater, and this is what, from the brand Absolutely, and it's a Markle crew neck pullover, and this is also in navy and size small. So this is the navy kind of sweater. And yes, let me tell you guys, like I have like so many like these sweaters in navy. For some reason this is the color I'm more inclined towards. Like if at all I go to the shopping like in person, there are certain colors that I would get attracted to. It's either white or navy, so no matter what, like how many navy tops I have, I still go to that color for some reason. So this is the next like cardigan that we got, and this is from the Market Splurge, and this is in the size small. I have this one. So this is really interesting. I love, like this is like I think knee length or kind of midi kind of skirt, and I love the color and also the print and also the fabric. It's more like chiffon kind of material, so love it, love it, love it. I also have like the styling ideas in here. So these are the styling ideas. So this is the maxi that we got, and this is the sweater, and this is the skirt. So you could wear either this way or this way, and here is the cardigan. So here we got even the styling ideas. So this is the dress, and this one is $78. Wow, that's expensive. And next, the Kate Spade, the sparkle pay princess cut silver, so that is the necklace, retails for $48. And next we have the olive small, and I'm thinking that's the cardigan. So this is the one, and this one retails for $44. And next we have the sage midi skirt. Right, so this is the midi skirt that we're talking, and this is retails for $58. And next we have this absolutely crew neck pullover in the color navy, which retails for $38. So here is the prices that we got this for. So there will be styling fee, purchase credit. So those $20 that we actually paid for styling, that could be credited to our purchase, which is amazing. Here is the first outfit. So it's like a really fun, flowy kind of skirt. I really love it. So it also have like, there is a slit here, which is good, and you could tie it at the waist, and it did go well with my t-shirt that I'm actually wearing already. So this is like really flowy kind of skirt and a good length. It's supposed to be a midi skirt. So here is the look, and I think I really love it. It's just that like the nice feel that you have like when the material is really good. So that's the kind of feel that you have when you wear the skirt. So love it, love it, love it. I think I'm going to like try this cardigan on top of this one. Let's see. Excuse my baby, she's here, she just woke up. So this is the cardigan, and this did go really good with this skirt, so I love it. So it's the combination that we are going for here. So I like this dress with this cardigan. Okay, now let's time to switch to the next dress. Okay, all right, now let me switch to this one right here. So this is the top. So this looks cool. It's like a nice kind of material, you know, you feel like a cool kind of sensation when you wear it. So this is the dress that we got next. So it's like really really pretty. I'm in love with this too, because it's like the right length for me. Usually it's so tough for me to find the right length. What did you do? So this dress, I really love it. So here are the sleeves, and here is the dress. It's so fun maxi dress. I really love it. So this is the dress. So that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you loved today's video, and please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. All right, that's all for today, and thank you so much for visiting my channel, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.